to SFA, yay! This is your day 1 phonics. Okay, we're going to have a little reminder of some of our initial sounds. Can you remember what this sound is? That's right, it is K for kangaroo. Let's have a look at another sound. Can you remember what this sound is? That's right, it's S for snake. Let's try one more sound. Have a look at this sound. Can you remember it? That's right, F for flower. Well done. Now have a look at some of these cards, these picture cards. See if you can sound this out. That's right. Eggs. Eggs. Have a look at this. Do you know what the first sound is? That's right. B for bike. Have a look at this picture. What sound does it start with? That's right. P for popcorn. Ooh, now this is a hard one. Can you try and sound out the whole words? That's right. Web. Web. Well done, you're doing brilliant. Have a look at this. Can you try and sound out the whole words? That's right. Ten. Excellent. Now, we're going to do some Alfie talk. But he's asleep. Can everybody shout, "Wake up, Alfie!"
Wake up, Alfie!
Yay! Everybody say hello to Alfie.
Hi, Alfie.
Alfie is going to break it down and you're going to have a go at saying it fast. Are you ready? Here we go. That's right. 10. Excellent. Try this one. P-U-T. That's right. P-U-T. Put. Try this one. D-O-G. Well done. D-O-G. Dog. Excellent. Okay, we're going to try a bit of a harder one now. This actually has 4 sounds. Are you ready? H-E-L-P. That's right. H-E-L-P. Help. Well done. Okay, Alfie is going to say it fast this time. You're going to break it down. Everybody get your robot arms ready. Okay. 10. That's right, well done. 10. Hot. That's right, well done. Hot. Dog. That's right. D-O-G. Dog. Tim. Well done, that's right. Tim. Everybody say bye-bye to Alfie.
Bye, Alfie.
Okay, we're going to have a look at a sound today that you will have done once before, but we're going to try it again. See if you can remember what this sound is. Do you know this sound? That's right. T for tall tower. Well done. Can you get your magic finger out? We are going to write this with our magic finger in the air. Down the tall tower, lift and cross. Okay. Now, can you get your blue writing books out and your pen? Okay, are you ready? we're going to have a little go at writing this sound. Okay, watch me first. Down the tall tower, lift and cross. Finger space. Down the tall tower, lift and cross. Okay, I want you to have a go at writing in your book 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sounds. Off you go. Well done, everybody. That is brilliant. Now, on the next line, I want you to have a go at writing this by yourself. Can you have a go at writing the word mud? Think about how it sounds. M-U-D. Mud. Off you go. Brilliant. Well done. Okay, make sure you take your time when you're writing. Try to be the best that you can be. I'll do it with you. M-U-D. Mud. After each word, we have a finger space. Finger space. Okay, now I want you to try and spell this word. Are you ready? 10. Off you go. Well done, everybody. Okay, here's my finger space. We'll go through it together. 10. Spell it with me. T. 10. Okay, we're going to do one more. Okay. This time, listen carefully. Tin. Can you spell the word tin? Wow, well done. That's right. Let's spell it together. Finger space. T. Tin. Well done. If you can think of any other words that begin with the letter T after this video, you can try and write them in your book. Okay, well done. Now, we want you to go on a little treasure hunt. I wonder how many objects you can pick up all around your house that begin with the letter T, T, T. I'll give you a clue. I have found this one in school. It is a tin. T-I-N. I have found one object. How many objects can you find? Try your very best. Okay, bye-bye for now. See you again.